Welcome to Fornes. We are at the European most important trade show for the 3D printing technology. We are going to present Prodways Group. Our difference from the other companies is that we cover the entire value chain for the 3D printing technology. Let's ask some questions to the team. Follow us.
It's very important to be here. First, it's a famous exhibition of all the 3D players worldwide. And for us, it's a good occasion to present to the industry the complete value chain of Prodways Group. So Prodways is putting together all the different options and solutions to innovate and to grow. Could be printers if they want to produce by themselves, or digital manufacturing if they don't have the ability to produce by themselves. They come to us, they send a file, and we produce the part for them. So really are the two focus we have: innovation, growth for the customers.
Prodways Group is an easy access to digital manufacturing. It's a place where you can access all the tools needed to go into the digital revolution.
We have to work on synergies, working together and executing excellent work.
And we help them launching new products, developing new products, and making them a reality.
They definitely benefit from our more than 25 years of expertise, from our broad range of technologies, our broad knowledge about materials, and definitely our broad knowledge about all the applications. So whatever the customer comes up with, we are always available to discuss his needs and to understand his needs, what is very important.
3D printing didn't exist when I was a kid. So that's really a new technology. I think it's evolving very fast. That's for sure. It's a very challenging industry. And I mean, as a business, we need to work with the leaders, and I think Prodways is one of those.